Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, where we're driving the conversation around electric vehicles and sustainable living. Today, we're talking about a game changer in Canadian automotive history, Project Arrow, an all-electric concept car that's got everyone buzzing. Imagine being able to sit down in a car that's not only environmentally friendly, but also uniquely Canadian. That's exactly what's happened with Project Arrow, a collaboration of 60 Canadian tech and automotive partners who came together to create a fully electric vehicle from scratch. And let me tell you, this car has got it all: a self-driving system, a 3D printed chassis, cameras for side mirrors, and even a hardwood floor made from Canadian maple. That's right, folks, we're talking about the first car that Simon Gill, Director of Investment Durham, says he's ever sat in with a hardwood Canadian maple floor. Talk about a unique feature. But what makes Project Arrow so special is its significance. Amidst U.S. President Donald Trump's tariff war, Canada saw an opportunity to demonstrate its ability to manufacture next-gen electric vehicles entirely at home. And that's exactly what they did. With the price of electric vehicles closing in on their gas-powered counterparts, tariffs could change everything. But with Project Arrow, Canada is showing the world that it can produce high-quality EVs without relying on foreign imports. And let's not forget about the benefits: saving money, reduced carbon emissions, and a cleaner environment. But what does this mean for consumers? Well, if you're in the market for a new car, you'll want to consider factors like cost, battery range, power and speed, and of course, how it looks. And with Project Arrow, Canada is showing us that we can create something truly unique and innovative while still keeping costs down. As Simon Gill from Investment Durham puts it, we have an incredibly strong and diverse automotive industry in Canada and Ontario. And we think there are incredible opportunities for trade relationships, for two-way investments, and even research and development and academic collaboration. That's right, folks. The future is bright for the Canadian automotive industry. So, what does this mean for us? It means that we're on the cusp of a revolution in sustainable transportation. And with Project Arrow leading the way, Canada is proving that it can be a leader in the EV space. Stay tuned to Electro Drive News for more updates on the latest innovations, improving our lives and shaping our future. And don't forget to check out Palmetto's LightReach solar leasing program if you're looking to reduce your energy bills with clean energy. We'll have more on that in a future episode. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Electro Drive News.